Hi, would you like to make $500 per hour from reading scripts? Yeah, this is the get paid to read opportunity right now that I'm going to show you in this video. But you do not need to have a professional setup, but you best have, but definitely you can work with your smartphone. Your smartphone speaker is already good to work with this method, but all you have to do is just follow my instructions step by step and you are good to go with your reading script journey, and you can make more than $500. But before I show you the method, welcome to Moneyhorn. Hi, this is Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method by which we can earn from reading simple scripts, and this is very awesome. The site that I'm about to show you is called voices.com. Yes, voices.com, you heard it already. This is a very good marketplace or freelancing website that provide only services related to voice. So you can do any voiceover, you can do any audio productions, you can do music, you can do translations, but all the voice related services you can find here, and people all around the world are looking for jobs for voice related tasks to be completed. They are hiring these voice artist freelancers from voices.com, and this is a top tier, top number one platform to get those freelancers out there. Over 40,000 companies work with voices.com, and you can see that all the big brands like Shopify, Microsoft, The History, Discovery, Bell, GoDaddy, Cisco, and many more top companies getting service from voices.com. So this is a good and solid site that will pay you definitely for your voice works without any problem. So all you have to do is just go over there, you just choose whatever jobs you want to do. You can do voiceover, you can do audio productions, translations, music, any way that you like, but voiceover is little easier than others, so we are interested in voiceovers here. All you have to do is just create your profile here and get invited. This is very important. They have some free options and paid options that I'm going to explain later, but all you have to do is just sign up. Sign up is free. You just have to sign up, upload demos of your voice and portfolio samples to receive private invitations from clients for free. This is very important, and when you get an invitations, you just apply those invitations and do according it to do to record your voice and get paid and do your work and get payment from the clients, and they were going to pay you to your PayPal without any problem or your bank account. So if you go over to voices.com, and they have a good rate for that, you can see that for like 30 to 45 minutes of work you can earn more than $1,000. This is really good. More than $500 you can earn with 5 to 15 minutes of your work. So this is really good site to work with, and this is a higher paying site, so the payment is higher, so you have to put your professional work and you have some budgets to work with here. All you have to do is just when you click on the sign up button here, it will show two options like hire talent for your projects and find work as a talent. So we click on find work as a talent, and it's a very simple sign up form that you have to fill up your full name, email, passwords, and agree to their some terms and conditions and hit continue, and you're good to go. After you confirm your email, and you're good to go. So when you sign up, you can go through their categories, all the voiceover categories they have animations, audiobooks, business, documentaries, educational, internet video, movie trailer, podcasting, radio, telephone, television, video games, voice assistants, many more categories that you can work for them. But for my experience, it is very good to work with business, education, and video games. These three categories are really popular, and you will get lots of jobs around these three categories, which is business, education, and voice video games. So if you search for like education voiceover artist here on voices.com, you can see that all these peoples all around the world are getting hired by clients, and they are making thousands of dollars without any problem. And you can see that in the language sections here, you can not only just work with English, you can just work with any language you can speak. And this is very cool to work with these sites, and you can just good to go with that. So all you have to do is just when you sign up, you have to build your profile and input some voice samples. And where you can get those samples, you can go over to their voices.com blog, and you can see that they have voiceover sample scripts. If you click on voiceover sample scripts, it will show all the sample scripts they have right now that you can read, record, and upload to your profile to enhance your profile. So if I, for example, if I just go over to the narration scripts like here, and if I just click on no non-fiction's narration scripts, it will show a sample non-fiction narration scripts here that looks like this. And if you just applying any jobs, the jobs descriptions will look similar like this: the client's name, your age, your gender, category, industry, style, language, accent, all it records for the job. You read it, and if you are a good match for that, you can perform it without any problem. So if you just want to upload your profile, enhance your profile with your demo work, you just have to head over to the sample scripts. There you can see that there is a 30 seconds narrative script practice and 60-second narrative script. So all you have to do, just read it, record it into mp3, and it just good to go. You just, if you read 30 seconds, it's okay, and you upload a 60-second record just reading this paragraph, and you upload that to your profile. So enhance it more, and you will get more opportunity to get hired. So after registration, it will show something like your dashboard like this, and it will ask you to complete your profile. You can see there's lots of things you can upload: your skills, your age, your accent, your language, your gender, your studio, and many more like this. You just read it, fill it up, all the informations that they ask, and then you just add free sample scripts just as we do. You just record 30 seconds or 60 seconds voice samples and upload it there, and more demos you will upload here, there is a more chance you get listed to search results and clients will find you. So if you just go over to the jobs sections, the things that I'm already talking about, that there is a greater chance you get into the search result. Because if you just go over to the jobs sections here, you can see that there are hundreds and thousands, hundreds of jobs out there, and you can apply. You can see that those are 500, 300, 1000, even $1,000 jobs are present here. That is just 1 hour job. But all you have to do, you cannot apply directly, because if you are registered here as a free member according to their frequently asked questions, you are just guest membership, and guest members cannot apply for jobs. Guest memberships only allows you to view jobs and upload your profile pictures, complete your profile, upload your demo scripts, and wait for clients to get hired. And if you want to make it quick and you get right away apply for jobs, then you have to pay a simple membership fee for that, so that you can directly apply to those clients, those that are listing their jobs here. So the payment for this is like $500 per year. This is not required, but if you want to just speed up the process of hiring or working with voices.com, you just pay a $500 to voices.com for the year, so it's like $40 per month, and you are good to go with all the way. You can just apply for every jobs out there and you can start working with voices.com. But for the free, you all have to complete your profile and upload more voices demos, so that clients in voices.com, as there are thousands of people all around the world who need their voiceover done, so they will search for voiceover artist on voices.com. And if you complete your profile completely and do demo samples and upload those demo samples here, there is a greater chance you get hired by clients all over the world. And as you can see, they are having clients like Microsoft, Shopify, GoDaddy, Los Angeles Times, Discovery, Bell. So this is a huge opportunity to get hired with those clients, and you will get more popular. And whenever you just perform one task, you will have a review and ratings, and more ratings you have, you will rank higher in the search result, so that you will get more and more jobs. So if you are a free user, you just apply there and wait for your job invitations from clients, and you are good to go. But this is a slow process, so if you want to speed it up, you can just buy their premium membership and you can just right away apply to their jobs, and you will definitely have great opportunity to work with this. And this is a minimum $40 per month, but you can definitely apply all the jobs and you can earn even thousands of dollars every month without any problem. So this is why this process you can faster. You have to invest a little money to get started. You can also work with Android phones. They have voices apps on phones, and you can even work with your smartphone with that. So this is, guys, this is the site that you can work with, but you increase the chances. If you want to start free, you can increase the chances of getting hired by applying multiple sites. And there are similar sites like voices.com, and you can find it like voice123.com. This is also a similar site to voices.com that are going to hire you for your voice artist, but all these are free. And if you want to get hired, and they have also backstage.com that I recommend you just go and join. And this is also a similar site like voices.com. You join there and complete your profile and get hired. There's another site, voplanet.com. This is also a good voice artist job site. So this is also a site that you can join and complete your profile, and you are good to go. All these sites, if you work daily and upload your demo scripts daily, there is a bigger chance you will get hired. You will get into the search result for their clients, and clients will hire you. So more you active, there is a greater chance that more money you will earn. So this is it, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.